Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing of some goodies. These are from Sarah at Magical Mixery Store on Etsy. So cute and exciting because I was trying to pull some of the bubble wrap off of them and saw some of the goods. So the first thing we have right here are these cute little bows with a pumpkin center, and these are great for fall crafting and then also Halloween, obviously. But they are just so cute. I love the color of the pink. Next we have these guys. These are some like romantic gothic black roses, but they're like a translucent color, but with the black in the center. Very cute. First I thought these were like a set of eyeballs, but they're not. They are little eyeball lollipops with a little bow. How cute are those? So fun. I've never seen those. So this one is like a little skull, and look how cute this mix is, you guys. It's got bones, cute little pink stars, rest in peace, little polka dots with some mint ghosties in there with some purple stars. So fun for Pastel-Halloween. And then this little pumpkin guy has cute little pumpkin polymer clay, ghosties, a little black and white polka dot, so cute. And look at those little moons in bright yellow. And then she's got, it looks like a glow in the dark color shaped star in polymer clay. Very cute. Next we have some charms. These are little haunted houses. These are black with like the little windows are orange. So cute, and they're like a perfect size. I have a another like haunted house shape, and they're massive. Next we have these little cute beads. These are a translucent pastel, so the hole goes up and down for the beads. Let me see. Yes, that would fit on a pokey tool. Super cute. So we have these little, I would call them witch spiders. Look at their cute little hat. And you can see the eyes, the little cheeks, and the legs. Little spiders. Here's another one. So you get 5 pieces. These cute little beads with a little black star on the white bead. Perfect for Halloween. That's what they remind me of. Or Maggie Holmes Carousel. Ooh, these are cute. These are like a it's like a crackle bead. And I think that would fit on a pokey. It just depends on your pokey tool, but pastel colors, and like look at, they look totally like cracked glass. Super cool. And you get a bunch in there. Purples, greens, blues. Next, ooh, these are fun. These are like little bobble style stars. I like that the centers look like solid, and then the outer pieces are translucent. So again, definitely fits on a pokey tool, I think. There, which one am I using? It does. Cute. And look at the colors. Bright, fun colors. And then there's some pinks in there as well. And pearl beads. I don't know what size these are. I'm bad with my sizings. 6-7 millimeter. But these are like a pearl-esque sheen to them. Very cute. Definitely fit on a pokey tool. And then here's like the same colors, but minus the pearlesque shape, or not shape, color. Cute. Ooh, and then look at these. These are like a two-tone, and these remind me of pool balls. Is that what they're called? Pool balls? When you play pool. Oh. Pokey tool definitely fits. I got peaches, pinks, purples, blue, yellow. Very fun. I've never seen those. And we got these fun little, like, I call them candy beads, something you would eat. And they've got the colors going like rainbow colors, basically. Do you hear that sound? They're plastic material. Very fun. And we got these ones. Oh, these would be so cute on my mile-long to-do list. Black beads with has like silver pinstriping, but to make a spider, those beaded spiders, which several of the girls here on YouTube have tutorials for, like have this be the body, like the butt part. So cute. Like you could do this, and then the next one you could have be the main, like where the eyeballs are. Look how cute and creepy that would be. So these are kind of like these ones, but a way smaller version. And these are all black. Again, these could be spider heads. Very cute. Got a bigger version of those guys. Let's see if these are like, same material, like that plasticky material. And you get all different colors in this one. Rainbow. Next we have these ones. Let's see the full size. These are a little plastic bead, a hole running through the center of the top of the bow. And these are like a pearl finish white. You could even use these and just like glue them onto your projects. You don't have to make it like a bead. Have some pearl, but like a iridescent sheen to it. These remind me of those candies, like the sweethearts, but the sour ones. I love the colors of these, like a pastel. The perfect pastels. Oh, how cute. Look at the smaller version of these. So these are a much tinier one. These do not fit on a Poketole, but they are normal sheen and they are just the prettiest aqua color. Next, we've got the bows, but in a bigger size. These are black. Again, you can glue these on and these definitely fit. Like, look how cute your Poketole would be if you added a bow like at the top or even in the middle. Very cute. Kind of like the pearl white, but these are rainbow pastels. Same pearlesque finish. So we have these cute little hollow hearts, like heart frames. And the hole does run through the center up and down, but another thing that you can do with these guys is, you know, pop in a bead like this and run your Poketole through the center of both beads. Very cute. Oh, okay, so I'm not going crazy. Okay, so these are the pearl finish, and then these bows have the iridescent finish to it. Same like colors, but one's pearl, one's iridescent. Super cute. Next, oh, look how cute these little bows are. I don't know if these are bows or beads. Let's see. Oh, they are actual little bows, and I love that the like the tail part is different. Like not your average, like, you know, like that one's like perfect. These one's longer, one curves, and these are like a translucent style color. So they've got translucent blue, purples, pinks. The white's a little bit more solid. Oh, look at these ones. Perfect for Halloween. Halloween, 4th of July. These are a fun silver, just like the last ones, a metallic chrome. How fun. We have these hearts, and these ones, again, the hole runs through the center, but there is a like little, like, you won't be able to see the Poketole sticking through it. So super cute. I love the colors. The little bows that we have the bigger version, and these are all translucent colors, like the black ones. Very cute. Oh, these are big. Star ones with the hole big enough for a pokey, and again, you can stick like a tiny little circle bead in there or anything that would fit, obviously. So probably like this size bead. And you get the fun bright colors for these, like a pastel bright is how I would like describe those colors. Okay, thank you so much, Sarah, sending me another awesome package. Where'd the other bag go? Hey guys, I will list categories down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.